Morning everybody, I'm Sylvia the crafty old lady, and I made this pocket out of a Chick-fil-A, I don't know what you call it, there was little pieces of chicken in it, I don't know what you call it, but anyway, I thought I would make a tag for it, and I think what I'd like to do is kind of collage on this tag with some vintagey type papers to put in here. So yeah, when we were on our way to pick up our daughter from Pennsylvania, we stopped at a Chick-fil-A for the very first time. And while I don't eat chicken very often because I'm mainly vegan for health reasons, I did taste that chicken and it was pretty darn good. So I'm thinking I want to use these papers here that I've got, and maybe a flower as the focal point. I'm going to make sure I'm staying in frame, so I think I'm just going to put some glue on my tag and get started. Okay. Got this. Ooh, actually, I probably want it. I don't want the straight edge on there. I want the torn edge on there. Even though I'm probably going to cover it up now. Who knows? What about something like this? That's good. And down here we need something. Does this fit? Oh, not quite. Here's a bigger piece. I could just tear this off a little bit, maybe. Hopefully it's still big enough. And just kind of put it like that. Yeah. Alright, so that's there. And then we got some page, this was from an old map. Maybe I could put some of this on it. I've got to get some more glue on here. So let's see. We kind of need, let's put this up at the top. Oh, right. It's not where I put my glue. It is really cold here today. It's been raining all day. I had my grandson for a couple of hours while his mom gets her classroom ready for the start of the new school year. So we had some fun. It was raining, but we did manage to take the dog out for a walk in between raindrops, let's say. Got this too. I think it's maybe, is it too dark? Maybe not. But I don't think I want it at the top though. This is a photocopy of a page in my mother's diary. So maybe I'll go ahead and put this at the top here. And did I put glue on there? No. I'm going to punch through the hole and put a new hole reinforcer on there too. So that's still going to be there. Let's see now. I just got some of these have started blooming in my garden, evening primrose. Let's go ahead and put this one right over here, but I'm not going to totally glue it down because I'm going to have to tuck something under here too. So let's put a little more glue here. Oops. And figure out what I want to tuck in there. How about something from here? Let's see. I don't want any straight edges anywhere. I think that will work. And then we'll put some more glue down. It looks like we just have one more little hunk right here. What's it going to be? Need a little more glue here. Could just put some writing down again. Like maybe this. It's a little bit too big. There we go. That'll fit right there. Then I'll trim the edges up and see how it looks. Okay, where are you, scissors? So anyway, it's been a rainy, kind of gloomy day today and chilly. And it makes me feel like summer's over. But it's August 20th and basically it kind of is like autumn up here already. But the leaves aren't changing where we live. But at my daughter's house in Pennsylvania, there was a lot of yellow leaves. I don't see a lot of yellow leaves up here, which is weird because they're closer to the equator than we are. So I think I need to add a little glue right here. And now we'll punch a hole in the top. I think I'll ink around all the edges. I kind of feel like maybe I should have inked around each piece, but sometimes that doesn't look good either, though. What do you think? Do you think I should have glued around each piece? Not glued around each piece. It's late and I'm tired, I guess. Do you think I should have inked around each piece? That's the question. Alright, so we've got this. Now I'm going to get my hole reinforcers out. I've got a couple. I guess I don't have any that are inked yet, so let's ink some of those up. I got my potting soil ink, and I'm just going to ink up some of these. Actually, I might as well ink all of them up while I'm at it. I will have to, whoops, I don't want them to fall off. I will have to put some extra glue on these though. They don't stay sticky. They're very old. I think I glued the sticky side of that one. Yep. And you can keep putting more and more on to get them darker. Like this one is super dark. I think we'll go ahead and take this one, get a little extra glue, and voila! There we go. There's our tag, with our hole reinforcer. I see I put a fingerprint on there. So this is going to kind of look weird in such a modern type of pocket, but I just felt like making it this way. I could put some more on here, like a focal point on here, but I feel like this is the focal point, you know? So let's see how it looks. Oops, I'm going to have to be careful when I put it in. This is not glued down all the way here. I don't want to rip the paper or peel the, like peel the paper off when I put it in the pocket. That's good. So far so good. And I think we need a little topper. Alright, so I'm going to use this vintage fabric here. It's like a blue plaid. And it kind of matches with this blue flower up here. I don't know how well it actually matches with with the tag, but we're going to go with it because this was all set up for me from some other project that I did. Alright, and now we have our topper and our tag. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.